If you're looking to secure your brand identity with a trademark, using LegalZoom for a trademark search is a simple and effective way to make sure your name, logo, or phrase is unique and available for registration. To get started, you head to the LegalZoom website and find the trademark section. Once you're there, you will see an option to begin your trademark search. This tool allows you to check for any existing trademarks that may be similar to yours, helping you avoid costly mistakes down the road. To perform your search, just enter the name, logo, or phrase you want to trademark into LegalZoom search engine. The system will then conduct a thorough research of a trademark databases, including federal and state records, and return results on any potential conflicts. If any trademarks are too similar to yours, LegalZoom will flag them for you so you can make necessary changes before moving forward with your application. If your trademark search returns no conflicts, you're in the clear to proceed with confidence, knowing that your mark is likely to be accepted. At this stage, you can either file the trademark application on your own or opt for LegalZoom's additional services where their team will guide you through the process and ensure everything is done correctly. The service takes care of everything from filing the application to responding to any office actions or oppositions that may arise. With LegalZoom, you get peace of mind that your brand is protected, and their straightforward process makes it easier for individuals and small businesses to navigate trademark law. Whether you're just getting started or are ready to move forward with your trademark filing, a comprehensive search is the first step to safeguarding your intellectual property. So if you're ready to protect your brand and make sure no one else is using your trademark, start your trademark search with LegalZoom today and take control of your brand's future.